Hey everyone, good morning. Thank you very much for joining me. So it is 5:24 o'clock in the morning. All right, so 5:24 a.m. New York Eastern Time. And if you're in California, I'm guessing it's like 2 a.m. So it's early. It's morning. We're going to talk about two things in this video. If you're new to this channel, by the way, thanks and welcome. Now, I have the camera turned on in all my videos except the ones I do 5 o'clock in the morning. So later in the day when there's another video, you'll be able to see me. So what I want to talk about, guys, is two things. First of all, HLBZ, it's going up. In my Discord, I did say that, hey, guys, well, first of all, my Discord, they've been talking about it for quite a while now. So some people are already in from before, but I didn't get in from before because I don't really trust this sort of stocks. But for me, HLBZ makes sense for a day trade, nothing more than that. I did say this morning at 4 o'clock in the morning that I did say in my Discord that, hey guys, at 25.26 cents, I'll get in at 25.26 and day trade it, right? It went down to 0.278 something. So it was pretty close to where I was asking, but it didn't come, so my order didn't fill. And it was right here. Just missed it by a little bit. I could have changed it manually, but I thought, well, no, wait, it'll go further down to 26.25. It didn't, and it just bounced off. So that's that. But the markets today don't seem like they're going to be good. So maybe what I'm guessing, HLBZ comes down a little here around 8 o'clock, going towards before regular market hours. It takes off, and then when regular market hours begin, it probably will have some kind of a fall. And that's just my opinion, but we'll see. All right, with that being said, let's go to something more of a sure thing in my opinion. All right, this is just my opinion. The one I want to talk about in this video is Fidelity Magellan, if I pronounce it right, Magellan ETF. It's at 1941 right now. Actually, I made a video about this before it had gone public. So I did talk about this before it was even trading on the markets. It's at 1941 right now, and I think that this is actually a really, really good exchange traded fund. People might want to look at this, and it's trading at near all-time lows. Fidelity is very good. They're very powerful with handling their exchange traded funds. What I've learned and seen and from experience with Fidelity exchange traded funds over the years, you just gain. I have only gained. I've never lost, personally speaking, for me, when I invest my money in their ETFs. And this is a really good one. At 1941, I think it is a good buy, in my opinion. Fidelity Magellan ETF is an exchange-traded fund that is based on the S&P 500. The fund is actively managed, non-transparent ETF that provides exposure to fundamentally selected firms located globally. So that's perfect, not just in the U.S. You want to have in a portfolio that is diversified and maybe also get a touch of the global markets. All right, so if we look at the breakdown for this, technology sector is 35%, healthcare sector is 16.6%, financial 14.6%, industrial 7.8%, consumer cyclical at 6%, and so on. Some of their top 10 holdings is Microsoft, Apple, United Health, Alphabet, Nvidia, Visa, MasterCard, Amazon, NextEra, Eli Lilly, and so on. They do also have an annual dividend. It's a very, very tiny dividend, but it does exist, a 4-cent dividend. Some of the things we can look here, the storied Fidelity Magellan methodology, which now comes in an exchange-traded fund. So this FMAG ticker symbol, which what I'm focused on, is a cheap and efficient way to access Fidelity's storied flagship fund strategy, the actively managed Fidelity Magellan Fund, which has been around since 1963 and was very successful, obviously. The strategy normally invests in equity securities, holdings, growth stocks, value stocks, or both from domestic and foreign issuers. I'm telling you guys, FMAG, you might want to look at it. This is one of the greatest ETFs and great opportunity for the long term to hold. And there's going to be a point, I think, that this stock will be trading at $100 someday, right? This is a really, really good one. I really like it. I'm not saying that you should buy it, but check it out. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Wish you all the best and take care.